92%. That's the employment rate of our graduates. That's right, 92% of our graduates get meaningful jobs within 6 months. That means we're once again number 1 in Ontario. Our graduates also earn the second highest average income in the province. How do we get here? By being a university of choice. We're drawing students who recognize the value of our unique offerings. In the last decade, the average entry grade of students attending Laurentian has climbed from 79 to 82.4%. We shine everywhere, from underground to outer space. Our many programs, including mining, geology, forensics, sports administration, and engineering, have a proven track record. Our students have been winning competitions across the globe, like the Canadian Engineering Competition, the NASA Lunobotics Competition, and even a global architectural competition. The 2015 Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to Dr. Arthur McDonald for new discoveries in the world-renowned Sudbury Neutrino Observatory. Laurentian researchers continue their work there, uncovering some of our universe's biggest secrets. And our Harquail School of Earth Sciences is mapping out the world's geological composition and metal deposits in detail through its $104 million Metal Earth Research Project. We know it's all about the student experience. So we made a huge investment of $153 million into new residences, high-tech labs, a fresh market-style dining hall, new study spaces, and more. Construction of our 47,000 square foot Cliff Fielding Research, Innovation, and Engineering Center is well underway, as is planning for our $10 million Student Center set to open its doors in 2019. We value culture. Our new Indigenous Sharing and Learning Center provides a space for all people to interact and learn more about Indigenous history, culture, and heritage. And our bilingual focus includes the opportunity to take courses in English and French. We love Northern Ontario, so we nurture it. The award-winning Vallée Living with Lakes Center leads the charge in environmental monitoring of our lakes. Our world-class Northern Ontario School of Medicine now trains doctors in more than 90 sites across the north, and our MacEwan School of Architecture recently graduated its first class and introduced its graduate-level program. There's no secret why 92% of our graduates quickly find meaningful jobs. Laurentian University. It's all here.